Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another highly requested video. Today I will be showing you guys how to pair a Jaybird RUN to your phone. Go ahead and open the case. Take out both of the earbuds. Go ahead and hold down the right earbud until it shows up red, because you are turning off the device. And also make sure this one's off. Now they're both off. Go ahead now, hold the right earbud until it starts blinking green. And now it'll show up in your guys' Bluetooth settings. Go ahead and click on the Jaybird RUN. Now it is connected to my phone. And now go ahead and turn on the left earbud. And now it allows it to sync together at the same time. Now go ahead and play some music. Perfect. Go ahead and turn off the right earbud. And this, now since they're connected together, it will turn off the other earbud automatically. And that is how you pair and unpair a Jaybird RUN. Thanks for watching, guys.